ये यूएस है, ये जापान है। दुनिया गोल है ना? In Japan, now listen to me. Japan and China are considered as the country of Far East. Far East कहते हैं इनको. तो in Japan there was a rule of Tokugawa dynasty. Tokugawa. Tokugawa dynasty was ruling. And this Tokugawa dynasty was a very conservative dynasty. And the rulers were called as shoguns. shogun title लेते थे, जैसे यहाँ जिले इलाही लेते थे ना, shoguns है ये. Shoguns maintained closed door policy. Shoguns maintained closed door policy. मतलब what is closed door policy? They will not interact with the outside world. Chinese and Japanese always consider themselves to be superior, always. Especially Japanese. Their culture superior. They will not interact with any outside people. बाहर वाले लोगों से कभी बात भी नहीं करेंगे वो. So obviously जब घर का दरवाजा बंद रहता है, खिड़की बंद रहती है, सारा कुछ बंद रहेगा, तो खराब हवा नहीं आएगी. पक्की बात है. अच्छी हवा भी तो नहीं आएगी, है ना? खराब हवा के साथ अच्छी हवा भी तो नहीं आएगी. तो अच्छी हवा नहीं आ रही है बिकॉज यहां कहीं पे इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन हुआ है. यहां पे ब्रिटेन में यहां तो पहुंच गया बिकॉज ब्रिटेन की कॉलोनी है यूएस, मतलब अमेरिका. जापान में तो कोई कॉलोनी नहीं है. चाइना इज अ कॉलोनी, मतलब कॉलोनी इन द सेंस कि चाइना वाज आल्सो अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ ब्रिटेन. So what happened in Asia? The first country that was industrialized was Japan, and fastest industrialization in all the countries, among all the countries. But initially there were problems. Tokugawa dynasty was ruling, and this Tokugawa dynasty was creating problem because they were not allowing them outsiders to interact. People were also not happy with Tokugawa dynasty because of their conservative nature, orthodox nature. So now what they wanted, that there should be an interaction from outside world. So Meijis were there. Meiji wanted to remove Tokugawa dynasty. Meiji. And Meiji started, inculcating the sense of patriotism, nationalism in the mind of the Japanese, that you have become backward because of Tokugawa dynasty. तुम पूरी दुनिया में पिछड़ गए हो, तुम्हें बढ़ने नहीं देगा ये लोग. Samurais were created, rise of samurai, and samurai fought against this Tokugawa dynasty. Tokugawa dynasty came to an end. One of the reason was Matthew Perry. Matthew Perry was a commodore. What is a commodore? Is a position in navy. जैसे मेजर जनरल होता है वैसे commodore होता है नेवी में. यूएस का एक बंदा मैथ्यू पेरी, he wants to come to Japan. He came with white flag as a message of peace. और मैथ्यू पेरी आया, खोलो दरवाजा खोलो. पड़ोसी है ना यूएस, तो थ्रू पैसिफिक के थ्रू दरवाजा खोलो. नो रिएक्शन, कोई रिएक्शन नहीं. स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली somehow Perry entered inside, and Perry came with spirit of freedom, because in America, American Revolution happened, which is an expression of the freedom of expression, spirit of freedom, democracy, people's sovereignty, development, progressive ideas. वो लेके अंदर आ गया। तो ऑब्वियसली टोकुगावा से जूझ रहे थे लोग। तो पेरी का जो एंट्री हुआ, व्हेन पेरी एंटर्ड, इट क्रिएटेड अ बेस टू फाइट अगेंस्ट टोकुगावा, and Tokugawas were defeated, in which samurai played a very important role. Tokugawa came to an end, and there was rise of Mijis, and that was called as Meiji Restoration. Meiji Restoration. Meiji Restoration. Now you understand, in Britain industrialization happened first, then it went to Belgium, because Belgium ने पायरेसी कर ली थी मशीनों की, चुरा लिया था. In the time of Napoleon, it went to France. In the time of, Zollverein, it happened in Germany. Zollverein was a custom union that was dominant in Germany. Germany was divided into a number of states. It was controlled by Austria. It was controlled by France. It was controlled by Denmark. Germany got unified and became a nation in 1871. But industrial revolution की हवा फैल चुकी थी, because Zollverein was there. Zollverein was a custom union. In 1820, the industrial revolution and industrialization entered in Germany, but after unification, it took the pace, because Germany के पास कोई कॉलोनी नहीं थी. That is why when Germany got unified, and it got freedom from Austria and France, then they started doing industrialization. Finally wanted to excel Britain and France in the terms of colony. And when they tried to do it, they collided with them, and First World War happened. So Germany, France से Germany, Belgium से France, ये movement हो रहा है. फिर जर्मनी से बाकी कंट्रीज, एंड देन फाइनली रीचेस टू यूएस, बिकॉज यूएस, व्हाई? बिकॉज इट वाज अ कॉलोनी ऑफ अमेरिका, वाज अ कॉलोनी ऑफ ब्रिटेन इन दैट टाइम ओनली, एंड फ्रॉम यूएस इट रीचेस टू जापान. इन जापान, व्हेन मीजी रिस्टोर्ड, टोकुगावा वेंट आउट. टोकुगावा डायनेस्टी खत्म हो गई, मीजी लोग आ गए. मीजी वेर प्रोग्रेसिव, दे पुश जापान ऑन द पाथ ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. जापान को इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन के पाथ पे छोड़ दिया उन्होंने. The Japanese were sent outside to study all the techniques. सीखने में कोई शर्म नहीं होती है, होनी भी नहीं चाहिए. और पढ़ने लिखने की, जानने की, तजुर्बा लेने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती है. किसी भी टाइम आप नॉलेज ले सकते हैं. छोटा है, बड़ा है, कोई भी हो, नॉलेज मिल रहा है तो ले लेने का. ईगो नहीं आना चाहिए. अब जापानीज वेंट एंड टुक द नॉलेज. दे कॉल्ड द एक्सपर्ट्स ऑफ ब्रिटेन, यूएस in their country, and then they educated them. What Japan did, none of the country did. Japan did industrialization in a span of 30 years, which England took 100 years. जापान को जब मिला, तो इंग्लैंड ने जब किया था इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, तब टेक्नोलॉजी उस लेवल की नहीं थी. When Japan did, सीधा उसको 4G मिल रहा है. 4G कनेक्शन. जापान, इंग्लैंड को तो कुछ नहीं मिला. जापान तो एक सुई भी नहीं बना सकता. बट जापान became the most industrialized nation of Asia. Even after the dropping of the atom bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, गिरने के बाद 2 गोले गिरे, उसके बाद वापस खड़ा हो गए. आसान काम नहीं है ये. Japan initially focused on, low quality goods. Slowly and gradually they started working. They applied reverse engineering. And once they picked up, they focused on high quality goods. Japanese goods are known for quality. Gadi or electronic goods. Gadi. देखिए जापान कैसा बनाता है. AC. जापानीज गुड्स कितना बिकता है.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.